I just want to give two thoughts on, the whole Adam being 90 feet tall hadith that I covered in the previous video. Now, some people have been criticizing me about that, about my video, and there are 2 points that I didn't mention in that video. The first point is that nowhere in the Old Testament, nowhere in the Bible does it say how tall Adam was. So Adam could be much taller than normal humans according to biblical theology, according to biblical history, because nowhere in the Old Testament and nowhere in the New Testament does it say how tall Adam was. So that was the first point I forgot to mention in that video. The second point is indirectly related to the first point, which is that there were giants who existed after Adam. Since Adam is the father of all mankind, according to Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, it stands to reason that these giants mentioned in the Old Testament are also offspring of Adam. We don't see the kind of biblical giants today. We don't see people being 9 feet tall or as tall as cedar trees, as the book of Amos says, or like the book of Numbers says about the people of Canaan, etc. We don't see those people, those tall people, in modern times. So this gives credence to the hadith that says that people have been decreasing in height after Adam's time. And the second point is there was a man named Robert Wadlow who was one of the tallest men on earth. He was 8 feet tall. I think he was 8 feet 5 inches tall, if I'm remembering correctly. So this is the tallest man on earth. So it's not true that human beings have been decreasing, have been actually getting taller. That's not 100% true. There are humans in the past who have exceeded normal human heights, and a major like 99% of humans today can't reach that same gigantic height. Like you don't see a lot of 8 feet tall people out there. People who have Robert Woodrow's height, which was 8 feet tall. You don't see 8 feet tall people around much in the world. He was an exception. So this gives credence to the fact that the hadith says that we've been decreasing in height since Adam's time. Stay tuned. I'm going to be giving a third video response to this with more written and more archaeological evidence that there were giants on Earth. There were giants in Earth on biblical times, and that modern humans can't reach, or modern humans are actually decreasing in size, thus giving veracity to that hadith about Adam being tall and humans decreasing in height after Adam. Stay tuned.